Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use Motion Array. Now, for those who do not know, Motion Array is a website that you can actually use in order to get some plugins, voiceover, sound effects, graphics, footage, and motion graphics to your video editing work. I will leave the link to this website down in the description, or you can simply go and open your browser, then search for Motion Array just like so, and it will appear in the first option. Now, the good thing about Motion Array is that you have here on the top left side, you can have here the search bar or the search icon. You can search for anything that you want. You can go and click on this arrow right here and see some presets, video templates, footage, LUTs, sound effects, graphics, photos, and all categories. And here on the top, you have here this bar. You can see more and more options. You can go here to plugins and see plugins that you can use in different video editing softwares. But of course, you should log in with your Google account in order to get all the benefits of this website. Here you have the photos. When you go here on the left side, you can see the filters. You can choose between them. You can choose the category, the usage rights, and you can even use the free photos only. Here you have the graphics, the sound effects, the voiceover. You can download a whole preset. Here you have some footage, and you can choose the resolution of the footage, the category, the orientation, the frame rate, usage rights, and you can choose the free footage only. The good thing about Motion Array is that it supports more than one video editing software. As you can see, when I go to presets, it supports Adobe After Effects, Adobe Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve macros. When I go here to video templates, it supports Adobe After Effects, Adobe Premiere Pro, MOGRT, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. So here in my case, I will use it in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm going to choose Adobe Premiere Pro. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on free templates. Then I will download this option right here, or this effect, for example. Click on download, and it will start downloading on your PC. After downloading, here you can see this WinRAR or ZIP file or ZIP folder. You just have to right click on it, then click on extract to. Then it will show you this folder or any other folder that you get. You just have to open the folder, open it again till you find here these options: Premiere Pro, font, and the PDF for instructions. You just have to open the Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro or After Effects folder in order to get the effect. And here you can see I have the folder. You can just double click on it and it will open in Adobe Premiere Pro directly. Once it open, you can do the modifications you want on it. Just click on OK. And now here, as you can see, just click on OK again. And now here, as you can see, I have this text. It says here, stored Corcoran Web Designer. I'm going to change it. So I'm going to double click on the nested clip. I'm going to double click on the nested clip. Then I'm going to click on the text, double click again, like so. Then I'm going to change here the font. I'm going to change it to Zain, for example. Then I'm going to get back and I'm going to change the second font also. And I'm going to change it to video. So I'm going to change it to video editor, for example. Then I'm going to get back again. So I think now we are ready. Now when I get back and play it, I can see here that I have changed the font to Zain and video editor. And you can do the same thing on any other plugin or any other effect that you have on the website. Here on the top right side, you can see here all the available plans if you want to subscribe for more plugins and more templates. Here you can see here the business plans if you want to join them and work with them as a video editor or a creator. And here on the right side, you can see here these options: AI image generator, AI video generator, AI voice generator, and Artlist Studio. So you can choose and use the AI software or AI agent that they have created. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.